Hey, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to use your iPhone as a personal hotspot, the first thing you have to do is get your carrier to turn it on for the line you want to use it on. So you might be able to do that online by changing your plan or just give them a call, going to the store, whatever. They just have to turn it on for that particular phone. So once it's active on the line, if you unlock your phone and go to Settings, right here at the top, you'll see Personal Hotspot. If you don't see it there, tap General, then tap Cellular, then tap Personal Hotspot. Either way will take you to this screen. You just flip the switch on, and the default password is shown here. You could change that if you chose to. And down below, it shows you connections or methods of connection. So you could connect using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Any of them work pretty well. None of them really show any great advantage as far as I can tell. USB would give you the most secure connection between your iPhone and your computer. But those are the basic steps. So once you've turned it on, you'll just connect to it on your Mac or PC as you would to any other Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.